On Friday, Donald Trump's lawyers submitted a filing to Judge Eileen Cannon, begging her to please delay a bunch of deadlines that we have coming up because we, Trump's legal team, want to submit some briefs to you about why you should just totally drop the case against us because, the Supreme Court said Donald Trump has immunity, even though, of course, all of the things in this case occurred after he left the White House, so the immunity ruling doesn't apply at all, but go ahead and just delay it, so that we can try to convince you that the immunity ruling applies to this. Now, when that happened this past Friday, legal experts immediately went out there and said, yeah, there's probably no way this is going to happen, because again, all of these charges are about things you did after leaving the White House. There is literally no possible way you could have immunity from that. And even legal experts thought at the time, obviously Judge Cannon, she's got no choice. If she screws this up, she's going to get removed. Well, she screwed it up, and she granted Donald Trump's motion to delay things even further, even though we don't even have a trial date set yet. That's already been delayed indefinitely. And Cannon said, you know what? I like your moxie. Go ahead and submit these filings to me. I'll delay all the other deadlines. And I'll tell you what, Jack Smith, I'm going to give you to the end of July to go ahead and, file a response to Donald Trump's request for the delay. So she's delaying the request for a delay. Do you see that, folks? She didn't just say yes or no, you can have the delay. She said, I'm going to delay a decision on the delay for a month so Jack Smith can write 2 sentences to me and say, hey, he doesn't have immunity. This is stupid. Let's move on. And then at the end of this month, she'll look at it and then decide whether or not to go ahead and grant the further delay. Everything this person does is designed to delay this trial. Any other judge, and we've seen this, by the way, in all of the other cases Trump has faced. If Trump's side files a motion asking for something, the other judges, whether it's been Juan Merchan, Engoron, or Chutkan, none of them have said, okay, other side, we'll give you a month, get back to us, we'll figure it out later. Usually it's, okay, you have 2 days to respond. Sometimes you have 24 hours to respond. In some extreme cases, they've given him 4 to 5 days to respond. They've never given him a full month, right? They want to get things done. They know how to do this. They are accomplished, intelligent judges. But Cannon says, oh, hell no. It's summertime, yo. I'm in South Florida. I want to have some fun. So why don't you just get back to me in a month? I'm going to be down here at the beach, right? This is appalling. And if you don't think that this proves that Donald Trump is getting special treatment, right, with all of these hearings on things that should not be hearings, which is something else that legal experts have pointed out, let me point this out to you. Because on the same day, right, actually maybe a day or two before, the Judge Cannon got this request from Donald Trump's lawyers. You had lawyers for Walt Nauta, one of the co-defendants in the case. They said, hey, Judge, we want a hearing on dismissing the charges against our client, which is essentially what Trump's lawyers are doing. They said, hey, you got to listen to this. This guy's been targeted for selective prosecution. We want a hearing. We want to put all this out there in the open. You know what Judge Cannon did on Saturday? She said, no. Nope, no hearing granted. We're moving forward. You're not getting out of this, Walt Nauta, you son of a... We're going to get you. So she is capable of doing the right thing legally. And honestly, if she had scheduled a hearing for Walt Nauta, honestly, that would have looked better for her. Because the fact that she is treating these other 2 defendants, D'Olivier and Nauta, like any other defendant and saying, nope, not doing that, we don't need a hearing, here's your deadlines, let's get this done, and then not doing it with Trump is only further proof that she is doing all of this intentionally to protect Donald Trump. Even in his own case, all 3 of the defendants are not being treated equally. Trump is getting special treatment. Nauta and D'Olivier are not. This is not accidental. This is by design. And this judge needs to be removed immediately. Hi, everyone. This here is little Athena. And Athena would like to know why you haven't subscribed to Fair and Balanced yet. So please, don't let Athena down. Subscribe today.